Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely card that showcases die cutting and also embossing on the card. And here's the second one. And we're using the heartfelt hexagon. We're using the layered flowers embossing folder, layered florals embossing folder, and we're using the everyday details dies right here, using this one specifically. Alright, so let's get started. Get these out of your way. Here are the pieces that you're going to need for your card. Card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Card stock 4 1/4 by 5.5. Basic white 4 by 5 1/4, and a piece of DSP 2 inches by 5 1/4. So let's start with the card base. It's already scored, so I'm going to fold along the score line. Use my bone folder, make it a nice crisp fold. Cardstock and basic white. So the first thing I'm going to do is send the basic white through the die cut machine. Oh, and I forgot to show you the lovely DSP. This is called Wildly Flowering. This is the front and this is the back. So we're using this die and just putting it along the edge and running it through. And with the magic of television, I just wanted to show you this was what it looks like. Then we're going to go ahead and adhere the DSP. I'm going to go ahead and use some glue. Right next to the circles. It's the same height there. Then we're going to go ahead and run it through. Let me cut a little bit. There's a little bit that's not quite straight. We're going to run it through the embossing folder. I'll be right back. Alright, ran it through and now it looks like this. Isn't that beautiful? So we're going to go ahead and adhere it to the cardstock. Some more glue. Careful of the dots here so it doesn't ooze through. There. And then some more glue to adhere it to the card base. It's the exact same size as the front, so it's going to cover everything. There shouldn't be any white sticking out. And then we're ready for the sentiment. Misty moonlight. And here is the punch. Just gonna line it up. I think that looks good. And let me close this up and get some Stampin' dimensionals. I'll do a few on this side and that side, and that will help with its staying up and not drooping in the middle. And that's it. What do you think? Here are the 3. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with any of your friends who would also like these video tutorials. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.